There are 7 basic properties of exponents you should be familiar with. When multiplying two expressions with a common base, add the exponents. When dividing two expressions with a common base, subtract the exponents. If a single expression contains an exponent and then is raised to a power, simply multiply the exponents. The next two properties are very similar to one another. When a product is raised to a power, the exponent can be applied to each factor inside the parentheses. Similarly, if a quotient is raised to a power, the exponent can be applied to the numerator and denominator. The next property deals with how to get rid of negative exponents. To write an answer that only has positive exponents, take the reciprocal of the base and change the exponents to a positive value. Lastly, if the exponent is 0, the expression will equal 1, as long as the base is not 0. In this example, we are asked to multiply two expressions. Since the only operation being performed is multiplication, we can rearrange the terms since the order in which multiplication occurs doesn't affect the final answer. Once we regroup, we now want to try and simplify the problem. We begin by multiplying the coefficients 9 and -4, giving us -36. Notice at this point that we have two terms with x as their base being multiplied, as well as two terms with y as their base being multiplied. At this point, we can apply the multiplication property for exponents. For the x's, we'll keep the base and add the exponents. We will do the same for the y's. However, notice the first y doesn't appear to have an exponent. When this occurs, the exponent is 1, giving us the following. Therefore, the final answer is -36 x to the 5th y to the 5th.